Good evening, friends. So, um, let's talk about the kit, those kits that have been used to detect the COVID virus. There's two methods. One is PCR. You do polymerase chain reaction (PCR), and second is the kit detection kit, rapid detection kit. Within 20 minutes, you use the kit, take out the blood, put in the kit one drop of the blood, just put in the kit, and within 20 minutes you know whether you are positive or you are negative. Have you have been tested with the kit or not? Moreover, this video I am just making to give the information about the kit, because um, I have been tested 3 times, and one time I think the PCR also I have been tested, uh, and all time I have seen that I am negative. Mm. Um, the three type of kit, the rapid detection kit, it was on my table from last 2 months. So today I was really interested to open the kit and to have a look inside. Okay, what is the mechanism or what is the system that was inside of the kit? Because in the kit you will see only a plastic. Um, it's like small like this, no? How to say the you don't see inside, you just see the cover, the plastic cover, the the name of the company, the name of the IZM, IZZ, or the control, the sign of the control also. These all the information you will see on the cover of the kit, that is made of the with the plastic. Okay, so only this thing, but what is inside? This is the question. Have you opened any time any kit? Have you? Do you have curiosity to anytime you thought that how this kit is working? How? So just for gaining knowledge or just for my curiosity, I opened today one of two kit I opened. Two this made of this from the same company. It looks like the same from the same company. So I opened today is to just to see what is inside of the kit and the material which is used to make this kit. So let's have a look on that video. I recorded a video, so let's have a look on that video, and after that we talk about the how it is assembled, means what is technique or how it is assembled. Why I'm going to talk? Because I am remembering my when I was doing my master degree, then I developed a pregnancy diagnostic kit. When I opened this COVID rapid test kit, I surprised that this is the same method that was I used um, in 1999, I think. Yeah, I was doing in my master degree in 2000, nearly 20 year back, no? 20 year ago. Yeah, because we are in 2021. Okay, so first have a look on that video. Okay, let's go. Have you seen the whole how it is assembled? Everything. It's interesting. The so I remember that when I was making the pregnancy diagnostic kit, so I remember that there was a strip, and I don't remember the name of the material that was used to make that strip. PVD or some, exactly I don't remember. But whatever I have seen in inside the kit, the material is it was it seems it is similar the dipstick kit that we and I think the same material still the people are using. Uh, so, uh, so and I remember that I first thing was that to make a label means I was involved in producing the antibody against progesterone. Then that antibody, the serum. Then I was using the chromatograph, this HPLC chromatography, that, and then aliquot of the antibody, then measuring which vial or which aliquot of the aliquot has higher concentration of the antibody, titering, then dipping the the this strip inside in that aliquot of the antibody, and after few I exactly don't remember how long I was leaving. I exactly don't remember, but but I remember that I always dip it, then take out, then dip in uh, the sample, milk sample, and then dip there, then take out, then it was penicillinate, it's substrate. It was iodine and penicillinate, something like this. I don't remember exactly. Okay, it was in the blue color. Then you dip the strip, then it become um, transparent or like this. Okay. So this was the method in that time to um, in this project I was involved in 20 years ago, and it looks like the same that in the COVID in the COVID test in the diagnostic kit, it seems me it was the same that there will be two type of antibody, one side and side, and one but against the antigen, uh, the COVID means COVID. Then when you put a drop of the um, this one the blood, when you put the drop of the blood, then then due to the uh, this chromatography system, I have seen the sponges also. It was means both side. The strip was like have you seen the in video? You have seen that there are sponges on both sides. So maybe due to the blood, that blood it was which I it was there in that hole, and from there due to sponge they are moving towards uh, the other area of the strip where antibody there where a layer of the antibody is coated, and a layer of the not only antibody, there will be substrate. So once the antigen or antibody, means you can make a layer of the antigen or you make the layer of the antibody. I think in this case should be antigen, not the antibody, because antibody will be from your if you are infected, so the antibody will be from your body, no? So there will be a layer of the antigen and COVID uh, um, sequence, and that sequence must be coupled with some substrate. So when from the blood, when the antibody is moving due to a sponge and the reaction, and it reaching a point where antigen is a layer of the a layer of the antigen coated. So when antigen reach there, antibody reach there, antibody now detect that, and that may be now the action of the substrate, means if it is detected, then substrate or fluorescence or some some techniques to measure the this antigen antibody is present here at this at that point. That's good. I was thinking that what I have done 20 years ago, now the same procedure are still same procedure are still working. Hmm. And that's good. Moreover, this video is just to show you um, what is inside this kit, because I know many of you don't know. You just go to the hospital, they do the test, and they provide you the report. Nothing else. Okay, what is inside the kit and how, what is no one is going to investigate or what. Okay, thank you. Do you have any comment? You can write in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Bye.